Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily and quickly log out of your Google account on iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video and let us get started with you. So, please open Gmail on your iPhone and then in the upper right-hand corner, click on your Gmail profile picture. Then select Manage Accounts on this device. Now to sign out, just select the Google account you want to sign out and tap that account on that particular device. And then you'll be logged out of that account on the particular device. But you won't sign out of that account at all. So if you have that account on another device, you can use that account with ease. But on this particular device, you can't. This is how you will be able to sign out of your Google account on your iPhone, friends. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.